Hi, in this video, I am going to joining the path. Suppose we have more than one path, then how I can join. So now let's start how I can. First, I create a path, path one, and the path first specify root to directory, and second path file path, and file path get. You just here add demo.java and first parameter I just get the part to string. Now I take one string variable and here at full path, and we also get the to string from the file path. Now we can see using is working proper. I add one SOP full path, and now I run this program and see we can get the full path project pattern demo.java. Here what we do here, first path we just add the project pattern on till directory from the root, and in second path I just add one demo.java, and first parameter pass the to string of the file path one, and now we can get here full path of the final. So this way we can joining the path.